Dr. Lakshman from Ayurveda Hospital and Research Institute. I am going to explain you about cancer care in Ayurveda. Cancer, as we hear from the word, it's a very scary word these days. But cancer too has therapy, and it is one of your lifestyle disease. It happens due to the irregular diet, irregular habits, and lack of exercise. As we say, there are different types of cancer, but in Ayurveda, the cancer has been mentioned as a vague thing, not specific to a cancer. It is called as arbudam, and it has been explained in several texts. Most of the cancers per se, they have a dominance of vata and kapha. So, influence of diet as well as your lifestyle and also the medicines makes the corrections. As we say, as early as better, because once it moves from one stage to other, in case of different stages, it becomes difficult and becomes incurable sometimes. So please do follow the dietary advice which doctor gives you, as well as standard medications and the therapy. Ayurveda therapy works very good for certain cancers like non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, fibroneuromyoma, adenosarcoma to a certain extent, and then hepatocarcinoma. In this kind of cases where we find it very difficult in modern medicine, Ayurveda has got some hope. As well as when you are taking allopathy medicine for chemo and radio, Ayurveda can also be taken as an adjuvant therapy so as to get prevented from the side effects of the chemo and radio. There are a lot of diet restrictions which include millet-based diet, go for organic foods, go for a lot of millets, take a lot of dietary fibers, and take a lot of probiotics. These are all the 5 things which I can mention, and avoid 4 whites. White rice, which has more carb. Milk, because these days you get a lot of harmonized milk. That's why I tell to avoid milk. If you get a good milk, you can go for it. Sugar, one of the very important thing, because cancer cells starve if you don't take sugar. If you take sugar, it multiplies the cancer cells. 4th is white flour, maida. It's very against cancer. And 5th, aerated beverages or soda. So avoid this 5 whites which I have mentioned to you, and do take a lot of greens, spinach, salads, and herbal vegetables. So do consult us for the cancer at the earliest to treat you better. Thank you.
SG Ayurveda Hospital and Research Institute, Periyanaikapalayam, Coimbatore.